You are going to love the 2018 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, transmission 6-speed automatic, privacy glass. Experience the perfect harmony